Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon, and here select your Huawei Watch 4 Pro from the list of devices. Now scroll through the device page and find the watch faces category. If you don't see it, it could be because when you installed the Huawei Health application for the first time, you were prompted to select a region, and you could have selected a region that doesn't support this feature. And the only fix for it I can think of is to basically reinstall the application, select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. And once you select different region, hopefully it will work. And once you find the watch faces, tap on more. Here tap on Mine to open the list of watch faces installed on your watch. Then tap on Gallery, download the package if you need to. And here we can set up our watch face. We can tap on plus button and select either camera or gallery. Camera option basically allows you to take a photo and use it as a watch face, and the gallery option allows you to pick a photo from a phone. So if you have some picture downloaded, you can select it basically. I'm gonna use the gallery option, so I'm gonna allow the permission. It will open the file manager, and here we can, for example, open downloads and select a picture, let's say this one. Now we need to crop the image. Basically whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and you can move left and right. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay. We can also select the position of the clock, then tap on the check mark, and here we have our preview of our watch face. Basically we can also add a filter for it, like color filter, but I'm gonna remove it. We can change the style of the clock, and also we can change the color of the clock, I believe. Yeah, we can. And once you're done, oh, never mind, we can add more things. We can also add the data, so we can add the widgets to your custom watch face. Okay, tap on the check mark, I guess. Yes, like this, like that, and the last one like this. Okay, we can also enable the option to raise the display to have a new image. Basically, if you have one or more image uploaded as a custom watch face, you can lift your watch to flip between them. They will cycle basically if you enable this option. And another option is to apply the style to all images. So if you enable this option and save, all of the pictures will have the same style of the watch face. Tap on save, and once it's done installing, you will have the watch face on your watch. And like I mentioned before, you can have multiple pictures. So I'm gonna add another one just to show you how it works. So let's add this one, for example. Okay. Okay. And tap on save, and now we have multiple pictures. And to cycle between them, normally you just need to tap on the current watch face to change the picture. And if you enable this option, like I said before, you can just raise your watch to cycle between them. Okay, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.